Hello guys, this is your girl Lee, and I'm coming to you guys today with a Madam Glam gel polish review. They was kind enough to send me over these gel polishes. I also have a discount code just in case you want to go and order some of their gel polishes down in the description box. This kit comes with an LED lamp to cure the polishes. It also comes with a top and a base coat. They also sent me 3 colors. The first color was this mauve color. It's like a light pink color. The next color that they sent me was this nude shimmery color, and then the last color that they sent me was this red glittery color, and that is the color that I will be painting my toes with today. Let me know how you feel about this red color that I'm going to paint on my toes. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. If you have any video suggestions, also let me know down in the comment section. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the base coat to all of my toes. And then I'm going to go in and add the red polish. I'm going to do 2 coats of the red polish, and then I'm going to go in and add the top coat. Before I cure the gel polish, I'm going to be sure to wipe off any excess gel polish I may have gotten on my skin. You have to do that before you cure it, because after you cure it, the gel polish will not be able to come off easy. Another thing that I love about this company is how they have the color of the polishes on top of the bottle, so you know what color gel polish you are dealing with when you pick up the bottle. So I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my video, and so I'm just going to allow the video to play and let you guys watch, and I'll see you in the next video.